Hi, I'm Peter H. Jones. I'm a physician at Baylor College of Medicine and the Methodist Hospital in Houston, Texas. I'm primarily a specialist in cardiovascular disease prevention, mostly a lipid specialist, and over the years I've been involved with weight loss and weight management because it's an important part of cardiovascular risk reduction. I've been honored to be a part of the Robard Medical Advisory Panel for at least the last 15 or 20 years. I think an important part of what I bring to that is my experience with not only a very low-calorie diet and the safety of doing that in sometimes complicated patients, but also the development of a team approach to managing patients' journey on weight loss and weight maintenance. I think what we found is that weight loss is actually the easy part of the journey. The hard part is building a new life with accountability and structure, and that requires a team approach. And so as a medical advisory board, I've tried to give both the medical safety of a very low-calorie diet, but also tried to help develop the team approach to managing obesity in patients. Robard has some medical protocols that I think are very important. The medical advisory team has helped put these together, and this is a compilation of our experience in using a very low-calorie diet and ketosis in high-risk patients. So some healthcare providers that aren't familiar with a VLCD and ketosis need a little bit of guidance to let them know it is safe to do and how to do it, and some of the medical issues that need to be followed and monitored on a weekly basis. So I think the protocol should, if you read them and go through them, should make you feel very comfortable about initiating a weight loss program that includes a very low-calorie diet. And over the last 25 years using the Robard product, we've been very pleased with the patient outcomes in our program. You know, the amazing thing is the ease with which patients can go from a regular diet into an all-beverage 800-calorie-a-day diet using the product. The transition into the ketotic state is remarkable. The patients really love the products and the variability and the different textures and tastes. And I think that this is a really important part of the success of getting patients that need to lose a substantial amount of weight. And our patients usually need to lose close to 50 pounds or more, the ones that we enter into the very low-calorie diets. And routinely, the average weight loss in our patients are at least 65 to 70 pounds, some well over 100 pounds. So this program can be done successfully. Patients love it, and the outcomes, particularly for high-risk patients, is remarkably good. So we've talked about the benefits of weight loss for patients, and many of our patients come to us with what they feel weight loss would do to help them. But from a physician and healthcare provider standpoint, there's a lot more to weight loss that can benefit patients. And we're looking at improved glucose control in diabetes, a reduction in blood pressure and need for medications to control that, fatty liver, which is an important part of chronic health, mobility, and being able to exercise. We have patients who need joint replacements and won't get them or can't get them until their weight is down, and that can improve their quality of life and mobility. So aside from just weighing less and maybe feeling better with self-esteem, there are a lot of medical conditions that are remarkably improved by weight loss, and that's part of the really joy of doing this in a medical practice, is watching how those significant medical comorbidities, diabetes, hypertension, heart disease, fatty liver, all improve during the process of weight loss. My advice to somebody who might be thinking about initiating a structured weight loss program within their practice or within their institution, I encourage you to do it. Once you engage your patients in a process of weight loss and watch the results, it will grab you, and you will be hooked for forever. You'll watch the benefits, the patient's response, and the improvement in their quality of life. Now, we've talked about the morbidity benefits of losing weight, but you've got to get off the fence and decide that this is an important thing to offer to your patients. And what you need is the support of somebody who can give you some business advice, give you a product that you can rely on, a product that, as I've mentioned, the patients will enjoy. And I think that this is one of the more important medical treatments you can offer some of your high-risk patients. And it's one of the treatments that actually involves resolution of disease without a bunch of medication prescriptions that we spend most of our day doing. So I encourage you that if you have a lot of patients that you wish would lose weight, don't wish that they would lose weight, and don't just say do it. Give them a way to do it by putting together an organized team and program to help them accomplish it.